Wow! Our bodies are incredible things, aren't they? Every single day they do so much work to keep us going. We breathe, we eat, we play, and all the while, something amazing is happening inside. There are tiny, tiny things all around us called germs. Some germs are okay, but some can try to make us sick. They are like little invaders trying to cause trouble inside our amazing bodies. Think of them as uninvited party guests who want to mess everything up. It's a big world out there, and these tiny things are everywhere, just waiting for a chance to sneak in. But guess what? Your body is super smart. It has its very own defense team. This team is called the immune system. It's like having a group of superheroes living inside you, always on watch. Their job is to protect you from those tricky germs. When a germ tries to get in and make you unwell, your immune system says not so fast. It jumps into action to fight off the invaders. This system is working all the time, even when you are sleeping. It's a silent protector, always ready to defend your health. Now, how does this amazing immune system know who the good guys are and who the bad guys are? Well, it learns. When it meets a new germ, it studies it. It figures out how to beat it. It's like your immune system goes to school to learn about each specific germ. This learning process is super important. It helps your body remember the germ so it can fight it off even faster next time. It's a bit like a detective, figuring out a clue and never forgetting it for future cases. This natural defense is truly remarkable, a built-in shield. So imagine if we could give our immune system a little help. What if we could give it a sneak peek of a germ before that germ actually tries to make us sick? That would be like giving our superhero team a training manual for a specific bad guy. They could prepare in advance. They could build up their defenses. They could be ready to spring into action the moment they see the real thing. This idea of preparing our immune system is super important. It's like a special training program, getting our body ready for a real fight, making it stronger and smarter. This is where vaccines come in. Vaccines are like a special training school for your immune system. They are super clever. A vaccine usually contains a very, very tiny part of a germ, or a germ that has been made very weak, or even a dead germ. It's just enough for your body to recognize it, but not enough to make you really sick. It's like showing your immune system a wanted poster of the germ. Your body gets to see what the troublemaker looks like without any real danger. This is a safe way to learn. When the vaccine enters your body, your immune system wakes up. It says, hey, what's this new thing? It sees the weakened or tiny part of the germ from the vaccine. It doesn't know, it's just a practice version. So your amazing immune system starts to build a defense. It learns to recognize that specific germ. It's like your internal superheroes are doing a practice drill, figuring out the best way to defeat this particular opponent. They are making notes and preparing their strategies. This practice session is crucial for what comes next. During this practice fight, your body makes special things called antibodies. Think of antibodies as tiny, custom-made weapons designed specifically for that one germ. Each antibody is like a key that perfectly fits a lock on the germ. Once your body makes these antibodies, it remembers how. It also creates memory cells. These memory cells are super important. They are like veteran soldiers who remember the enemy and know exactly how to fight it if it ever shows up again. They keep a record, a blueprint of how to defeat that germ. So what happens if later on the real strong, nasty germ tries to invade your body? Well, because of the vaccine training, your immune system is ready. Those memory cells shout, we've seen this one before. Attack. Your body can then make those specific antibodies super fast. The antibodies lock onto the germs, and your immune system defeats them before they can make you really sick. It's like your superheroes already have the perfect plan and the perfect tools, all thanks to that earlier vaccine practice session. Isn't science neat? The idea of protecting people from diseases isn't new. It's a story that goes way back. For thousands of years, people noticed that if someone got sick with a certain disease and survived, they usually didn't get that same disease again. It was a big mystery, but a very important observation. People tried all sorts of things to prevent sickness. They knew that some illnesses were very dangerous and could spread quickly through communities, causing a lot of sadness and problems. Finding a way to stop this was on many people's minds. Then, a long time ago, in the late 1700s, a very observant English doctor named Edward Jenner had a brilliant idea. He noticed that milkmaids, who often got a mild disease called cowpox from cows, didn't seem to get the much deadlier disease, smallpox. Dr. Jenner thought, maybe the cowpox is protecting them. So he did a very brave experiment. He took a tiny bit of material from a cowpox sore and introduced it to a healthy boy. Later, when the boy was exposed to smallpox, he didn't get sick. This was a huge breakthrough, like the very first vaccine. From Dr. Jenner's amazing discovery, the science of vaccines began to grow. Scientists like Louis Pasteur made even more incredible discoveries about germs and how to weaken them to create vaccines. They learned that you don't need the full, strong germ to teach the body. Over many, many years, researchers have worked hard to develop vaccines for lots of different diseases. It's been a long journey of careful study, experiments, and learning. Each step has helped us understand more about how to keep people healthy and safe from illnesses that used to be very common and very scary. Today we have many different types of vaccines, all super smart in their own way. Some vaccines, called inactivated vaccines, use germs that have been killed. Others, called live attenuated vaccines, use germs that are still alive but have been made very, very weak, so they can't cause serious illness. There are also subunit vaccines, which use just a tiny piece of the germ, like a protein. And newer ones, like mRNA vaccines, give our cells instructions to make a harmless piece of the germ, so our immune system can learn from that. All these types work to train our amazing immune system. So do these vaccine training sessions actually work? You bet they do. Vaccines are one of the most effective ways we have to prevent serious diseases. Think about it. Before vaccines, diseases like polio could cause paralysis, meaning people couldn't move their arms or legs. Measles could cause serious problems like pneumonia or brain damage. These were very scary illnesses. But now, thanks to vaccines, these diseases are much, much rarer in many parts of the world. That means fewer people getting sick and more people living healthy, happy lives. It's a fantastic achievement for science and medicine. The positive impact of vaccines is enormous. Millions and millions of lives have been saved because of them. Children can grow up without the constant threat of these once common diseases. Can you imagine a world where these illnesses were still widespread? It would be very different. Vaccines have helped to almost wipe out some diseases entirely, like smallpox. That's a disease that no longer exists in the world because of a massive global vaccination effort. That's an incredible success story. It shows how powerful we can be when we work together to protect health using scientific knowledge. And here's something else that's super cool. When lots of people in a community get vaccinated, it helps protect everyone, even those who can't get vaccinated themselves, like tiny babies or people with certain health conditions. This is called herd immunity or community immunity. It's like creating a protective bubble around the whole community. If most people are immune because they've been vaccinated, the germs can't spread easily from person to person. So, by getting vaccinated, you're not just protecting yourself, you're being a hero for your community too. It's teamwork. Vaccines are truly one of science's greatest gifts to us. They are a safe and super smart way to help our bodies build protection. They help keep us, our families, our friends, and our entire communities healthier and safer. Learning about how our bodies work and how we can help them stay strong is so important. So let's keep being curious, let's keep learning, and let's appreciate these tiny heroes, vaccines that do such a big job in helping us live better lives. Science is amazing, isn't it? It helps us understand the world and make it a healthier place for everyone.